Okay, today I'm going to show you a very simple drawing app. So the first thing you're going to want to add would be under Drawing and Animation, you're going to add a canvas. Canvas is a very important piece for any time you want to do any drawing or tapping, playing with your screen in any way. It's the background that you're going to want to have. So I want this to be a larger workspace, so I'm going to fill the parent with my canvas. Now I'm going to add a few buttons, so I'm going to want to color on it with different colors. So I'll go to the layout and let's add a horizontal arrangement so that I can fit my buttons in a little bit better. So we'll go over here. I'm going to drag 1, 2, and let's go with 3 buttons for now, just for the sake of this tutorial. So this is where naming your components is very important. You want to name your button according to the color that you're going to use. You'll see why later when we get into the blocks. So we'll call this one button red. And this one will be named button blue. And we'll go ahead and make this button green. And don't forget to change the properties of each of your buttons. For now, I'm just going to make it simple name. This is a green one, so that will be green. This one will read blue, and this one will read red. Okay, now I go over here to my blocks, and the first thing you want to think about is what you want to do when you touch the canvas. So really, you're not just simply touching, you're going to be moving your finger or dragging your finger along the canvas. So you're going to look for the component when canvas 1 dragged and bring that out here. Next you go to the canvas again, find call canvas 1 draw line, since you're wanting to draw a line. You're welcome to play around with draw circle, draw point. They do interesting things as well, but we'll start with just the basic draw a line. And if you think about a canvas, and they all have X and Y coordinates, you're dragging your finger along it. Basically, you're dragging from your previous position on each the X and the Y coordinates. And moving from the previous position to the current position on each the X and the Y coordinates. So fit those in there. And now you're ready to draw. So to choose the color, you look at your buttons. When button 1 is clicked, what do you want button 1 to do? Well, or button red, obviously you're going to want to change the color to red. So you're going to change the color of what? Change the color of your canvas paint. So you find canvas 1, we got background, let's see, paint color right here. Set canvas 1 paint color. And that's where the red comes in. So rather than going through this process again, I'm simply going to duplicate. I'll duplicate 2 times and change the buttons. Button blue I'll change the paint to a blue color and button green, then change the paint to a green color. So there you have it. Very basic drawing app. That should do it.